prior to opening, we had always had a fly issue because there's a gas station across the street. There's a lot of movement, a lot of air, we're on a busy street. We've tried everything under the sun. After opening, we would have fly builds up, and then we bought those containers that you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot that trap the flies. Well, if you don't catch that, they can grow into like maggots, and it's disgusting. And so we were having so many issues of trying to keep everything clean, but still trapping all the flies. And they weren't just like flies, they were like huge, almost horse flies, and it was exhausting. But I'm a big gardener, and so I'm a big believer in the bees and wanting to make sure everybody's healthy. And I was always scared of chemicals and how are we gonna kill all of that. And so they assured me that it wasn't gonna hurt the things that meant the most to me. So I said, let's give it a shot, because these flies were just unbelievable. And mosquitoes, and I was spending a fortune on putting out off for every customer of mine, making sure we had bottles everywhere. It's just one of those things for me. My son, when he gets bit by a mosquito, it looks like he's breaking into hives. They're so big. So I said, let's just do it, let's try it, and I ended up becoming a customer. And because of that, I ended up installing it in my house. My parents started installing it at their ranch. They installed it at their main house, and then it ended up being, when they sold the ranch, they've installing it at the lake house too. So it works, and it keeps our flowers growing, it keeps the bees around, all the pests are gone. My name's Kristen. I own the Barking Pig, and I'm a LoCo Mosquito customer.